The 2011 Toyota Corolla. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Toyota features front-wheel drive, alloy wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, keyless entry, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.